Your health means everything. That's why we work to keep you safe when you come to us for care. That's also why it's so important to not delay in getting the care that you need. Whether it's an emergency, a checkup, or it's time for a screening like your annual mammogram, get the care that your health needs now. Because your health means everything to us too. We want you to feel as comfortable as possible during your visit with us and confident in the care that you receive. Here's how we're making that happen every day. Everyone who enters the facility is screened and temperatures are taken. Also, everyone is required to wear a mask throughout the facility and social distancing is practiced. We also know that having a loved one with you is an important part of your care experience. When a visitor is able to join you, we ask them to practice the same precautions so that you and your guest can feel confident in your safety and we can all continue to protect each other until this pandemic is behind us.
We're continuing to take all of the necessary precautions to protect you. We've got the gear we need for your safety and for ours too. And most importantly, we've created an environment to care for you that's as comfortable as possible. We understand you might feel a little worried about a hospital or doctor's visit right now, but it's important to get the care you need when you need it. So don't make your health wait. We're prepared and always here to safely care for you.
Conemaugh Memorial Medical Center has always been a clean and safe place to get care, and we are continuing to use the most effective cleaning and disinfection methods to make sure it stays that way for you. We are here for you. If you're in pain, we can help. If it's time for your annual checkup or mammogram, we've got you. If you're in an emergency, we are here, because your health means everything to us. Thank you for continuing to trust us at Conemaugh Memorial Medical Center.